everyone, I'm Nazarat Fatima and you're watching LiveLaw. You all must have heard about the ethnic Manipur violence that has taken in its grip the entire state. Before we go into the details of how the issue reached the Supreme Court, let's try looking into what it is about and how and when the issue started to take an ugly turn which caused many deaths and mass eviction. The Meiteis, who occupy 53% of the state's population and live mostly in the Impal Valley, had been demanding the status of scheduled tribe for the last 10 years. And recently, the Manipur High Court passed an order which directed the state government to recommend to the Union Tribal Affairs Ministry a scheduled tribe status for the community. Although agitation in the state due to this demand has been taking place for years, but there was not much violence. The direction of the High Court to the central government to confer scheduled tribe status to the majority community created unrest in the minority, of which the people are mostly tribals already enjoying the scheduled tribe status. Following the High Court order, the scheduled tribe Nagas and Kukis, who are enjoying the scheduled tribe status, opposed the inclusion of Meiteis in the scheduled tribe and organized a march, and thousands of people participated in a tribal solidarity march called by a student body in all the 10 hill districts of Manipur to oppose the demand of Meiteis to be included in the scheduled tribe. During the violence that was on surge, the tribals living in forests in hundreds were evicted, a mob partially managed to set fire to a gym, many churches in Impal's tribal colony area were demolished, and many people were killed and numbers injured. The central government deployed forces to control the situation, but the tribals are not happy with the adequacy of the forces. The situation was so out of control that the district magistrates were authorized by the Manipur government to issue shoot-at-sight orders. Now the focus has been shifted to the Supreme Court. The respective parties have filed their petitions seeking more protection, security arrangements, etc. Today on 8th of May, a bench comprising Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice P.S. Narasimha and Justice J.B. Pardiwala was considering two petitions. One filed by Manipur Tribal Forum Delhi seeking special investigation team probe into the violence and relief for the victims, and another petition filed by Chairman of the Hill Areas Committee of the Manipur Legislative Assembly challenging the direction of the Manipur High Court. While the hearing was taking place, the bench had a lot of queries regarding this sensitive matter. It asked the Solicitor General about the number of relief camps opened and the number of people taking shelter in relief camps. The bench also asked about food and medicines in the relief camps. Another query that the Supreme Court looked into was regarding the persons displaced due to violence. It asked if appropriate measures were taken to ensure their smooth return. In connection to places of worship, the bench said that some steps should be taken to protect the places of worship. On the other hand, the Solicitor General with respect to the High Court's order said that the state government is taking appropriate action before competent fora. He also said that property of every person will be protected regardless of religion. The bench directed the union to file a status report on May 17. On the other hand, the senior advocate Colin Gonsalves, appearing for Manipur Tribal Forum Delhi, told the court that violence in the form of killings and burnings have taken place on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. He said that the petitioner apprehends more attacks in the coming days and as such sought urgent orders for evacuation of people from some areas. Responding to this, the Solicitor General intervened and said that statements made in the court may have an adverse impact, so let us not say something which might have an adverse impact, intended or unintended. Meanwhile, the Chief Justice of India told the petitioners that the proceedings before the Supreme Court should not become an opportunity to destabilize, and advised him not to read out loud the statements and instead point to the pages where the issues are highlighted. The Chief Justice of India said that the court is concerned very deeply about the loss of life, loss of property, and has expressed their concerns to the government. He said that the court will have to leave it to the government to take action. The bench recorded the assurance given by the Solicitor General that the union will address the concerns flagged by the petitioner. Coming to the order passed by the Manipur High Court, the bench also made certain critical observations about the High Court's direction regarding scheduled tribe status for the Meitei community. The bench, while addressing senior advocate Sanjay Hegde, who had appeared for the petitioner in the High Court, said that there are several judgments of the Supreme Court which hold that the High Court cannot direct the grant of scheduled tribe status to a community, and the petitioner was duty bound to bring those judgments to the notice of the High Court. The Chief Justice of India told the petitioner, and I quote, "You never told the High Court that this power the High Court does not have. It is a presidential power." That's all for this video. Stay tuned for more updates on this case. To stay in touch with the developments in this case, follow our website or download the app LiveLaw. Meanwhile, if you like our content, please like and share the videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching.